Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to talk about weather outside.
Yeah, what's the weather like today, Mom?
Yes, so weather is all around us. Today we are going to learn about different types of weather. We see the weather all around us. Go, look out your window. What do you see?
Is it snowy?
You might see snow on the ground or in the trees. When it's snowy, you might wear hats and scarves.
Is it rainy?
You might see raindrops on the window. When it's rainy, you might carry an umbrella.
Is it sunny?
You might see sun in the sky. When it's sunny, you might wear sunglasses.
Is it windy?
You might see trees being blown down by the wind. When it's windy, you might wear a jacket.
Is it cloudy?
You might see a lot of clouds in the sky. When it is cloudy, you might wear long sleeves.
Is it stormy?
You might see lightning in the sky. When it is stormy, you might stay inside. What are the other types of weather you can think of?